What's up, friends? I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. So today I want to show you another house that we are working on. They replaced all the windows on this house, all the windows, doors, and the color. So we're basically doing a complete resurfacing after having repaired the eaves around all the windows. So as you can see, this house is super detailed. It's like in Cherry Hills, or no, it's not Cherry Hills, but it's, well, yeah, it's Denver. But it's a super nice area. Bunch of trees and stuff. Anyways, Anderson, one of our new guys, is already floating. Francisco, another of our new guys, floating. Look at how much detail this thing has. Yikes. Oh man. More plasters. Oh, look at that. So I really cannot complain that they're, well, not cruising on this house. They're really taking their time. And then look how close it is. We're used to having a lot more space and stuff. Nope, not downtown Denver. Yep, so that's how it goes. Very good, folks. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Alex. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. And I am going to continue posting. We'll go from there. Here's my crew back again. Cool.